What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, as I'm editing this video, I'm realizing that I don't have an intro. So y'all, I was sent a 24-inch ginger frontal wig, transparent lace. The lace is on wear. Yeah, y'all, I'm falling in love with this no baby hair look, y'all. It's giving grown. At first, I don't know. Let me not say that. I still love baby hair, but it's dependent on how I'm feeling that day and the color of the wig. But so far, y'all, I'm feeling a no baby hair look. Y'all, you guys already know this wig is from UNICE, whatever y'all want to call it. Listen, when it comes to UNICE, I don't really have to say much. You guys already know. This is literally my #1 favorite company. They never failed me yet. Every wig I have got from them is literally bomb, y'all. It's literally bomb. Whether it's UNICE, Amazon, the hair is always bomb. And every time I recommend it to people, they never have anything bad to say. Cause come on now. Y'all need to start sleeping on UNICE, man. This hair is really, really nice. It's been literally, I think, about 2 hours since I did the video. And y'all, my curls are still there, honey. The curls are still there. The curls are still curling. The hair is mad soft. Man, listen. Y'all need to stop sleeping on UNICE. Go copy y'all wig from UNICE. And I promise y'all, I promise, something just went in my eye. I promise y'all, y'all not gonna regret it. I promise. Like, listen. There's something in my eye. I think UNICE is the only company I really speak this highly of. Because, listen, if a wig is trash, I'm going to let y'all know a wig is trash. But UNICE, I've never had any of them problems. No matter the color, no matter the length, no matter the lace, the hair, the wig is just always going to give. Always. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I highly recommend UNICE hair. If you guys are interested in the same exact wig, the link is going to be down below. If you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and run over to UNICE because, listen, they got some bomb wigs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.